Morning, Phil Cross here. Here's a 2017 Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4, black with the gunmetal interior. You're going to have halogen headlights, LED daytime running lights, fog lights. Come around the corner here, we got some Toyo tires teamed up with two-tone alloy wheels. You got your stealth running boards, tinted windows. Again, this was certified, so it's gone through the 160-point inspection. On the interior, you're going to find your power source. You could push, if the power's on, you could push this and run a generator in the back. You've also got your push button here for your rear window that you could open up. This one's got the integrated navigation built in. Again, you can customize that screen. Heated front seats. Again, this is a 2- and 4-wheel drive vehicle. You have blind spot monitoring. Your power boost as well. Sonar for assisting in parking. USB ports there. Your Q charger, so you can just lay your phone there and charge it. Power moonroof with tilt. Back seats, plenty of room. Plus you've got, if you wanted to do some more cargo hauling, you could put the seats down by pulling the headrest off, storing it here, and putting the seat down completely flat. Industrial strength bed liner. You've also got your tow package 4 and 7 pin. This one's all ready to go. Give me a call, Phil Cross, Heyward, Allen Toyota, Athens, Georgia, 706-369-5020, extension 123. Bye now.